This presentation is going to demonstrate the effects of epinephrine and norepinephrine on pacemaker cells of the heart and how they affect heart rate. Epinephrine and norepinephrine are responsible for our fight or flight responses. Both are released by the adrenal medulla and have a very powerful effect on the heart. To see how they play such a significant role, you have to go down to a molecular level. When epinephrine and norepinephrine come in contact with cardiac tissue, they bind to beta-adrenergic receptors, respectively. These receptors are metabotrophic receptors, which means they deal with a secondary messenger system. This binding triggers the activation of a heterotrimeric G protein containing the alpha-beta-gamma subunits. In the case of epi and norepi, the alpha subunit is the one in charge. The G protein is activated but still needs energy to do its job. GDP replaces GDP, giving it energy, allowing the alpha subunit to detach. That subunit then goes to activate adenylyl cyclase. That switches a catalyst and speeds up the ATP to cyclic AMP conversions. Cyclic AMP then activates protein kinase A, which leads to a flooding of calcium into the cell by activating the T-type calcium ion channel, releasing stored calcium from the sarcoplasmic reticulum while also causing phosphorylation. The phosphorylation causes more muscle contractions. After that, the sinoatrial node containing pacemaker cells sends quick signals to the atrioventricular node. After all of that, the heart rate can then increase. In a normal membrane potential graph, the depolarization and hyperpolarization are longer. It is the opposite when epi and norepi are present. This is caused by the funny ion channels allowing sodium to leak into the cell, causing rapid depolarization. When epinephrine and norepinephrine are introduced for the time, depolarization decreases, thus raising the heart rate. In an epinephrine and norepinephrine decrease, an enzyme called phosphodiesterase stops the reactions by cutting off cyclic AMP, thus decreasing heart rate.